Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting workable pieces. List 10 common roots and 3 prefixes and suffixes each, then immediately break words apart. Once done, pick 5 sample words and mark the root visually. This gives you anchors. Make sure to pronounce each element slowly so sounds map to meaning. You'll use these anchors to generate new words and spot patterns quickly, so don't skip the deliberate, hands-on splitting step that starts the learning process. You now generate and test combinations. Attach prefixes and suffixes to roots to form 10 candidate words, then check meanings to see how each affix shifts sense. Once done, write short example sentences to test usage and pronunciation. This reveals stress or spelling changes. Make sure to consult a dictionary for etymology and variant forms so you understand why meanings diverge. Practice aloud and mark any irregular. You finish by turning knowledge into habit. Schedule short, spaced reviews and create quick quizzes from your lists. Once done, teach one root and its combos aloud to a partner or imagined listener. Teaching reveals gaps fast. Make sure to build mixed practice, randomized roots and affixes, so recall becomes flexible. If you get stuck, trace the word's etymology or compare it to similar roots to isolate the confusion. This troubleshooting step usually clarifies meaning and corrects false assumptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.